Welcome to Trade Pro. I'm testing an insane Forex scalping strategy that actually works with a 90% plus accuracy. Now I'm going to pop the screenshot up of the video that I'm talking about. So people have been liking the videos that I've been posting where I test other YouTubers' strategies 100 times to see if they're actually telling the truth about the accuracy or win rate of their strategies. So this one is just extreme. The other ones have been no real crazy claims or anything like that, but this one will be interesting because the claim is very extreme, 90% plus accuracy, and this person does break down the full strategy and say to use a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio. So when I saw 90% accuracy, I was thinking this is probably going to have like a 5 risk to 1 reward, but it's 1-to-1, so let's see how this thing performs. This uses an engulfing pattern, a 14-period EMA, and the RSI. So this is very simple, and it's counter trend. And I think anyone who's watched my channel knows how I feel about counter trend strategies. So we're already not off to a good start. I'm not a fan of using divergence on the RSI to go counter trend. Everyone knows I love hidden divergence, but this is using normal divergence with a confirmation or a double confirmation, really. So what this is you're going to be looking for bearish or bullish divergence. So I'll show you an example here. RSI, we have bearish divergence, so we have a higher high on price. We're getting higher highs on price up here, but lower high on the RSI, so we have bearish divergence, and then you must wait for a breakdown of the 14-period EMA, which occurs right here on this candle after finding that bearish divergence, and that candle must be an engulfing pattern, which it is. So this indicator up with all these highlights is the bearish engulfing or bullish engulfing pattern, so it's valid. And then this would be a 1-to-1 risk reward using the nearest swing high as the stop loss. And this is exactly what the person says in their video. So this is the full strategy. What I've just explained and showed you. It's a winning trade, the one I'm showing you, but they're saying 90% accuracy for this strategy, all right? So I think we already know that it does not have 90% win rate. That's just absurd using a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio, especially with this simplistic of a strategy. And it's probably just clickbait. But even right in the video itself, they say back and forward tested on over 100 trades, 90% plus win ratio. So they're claiming in the video that it was back tested and forward tested over 100 trades to have a 90% plus win rate. Yeah, so let's see how it really performs. I'm going to test it. I am obviously, you can tell by how I'm talking about it that I don't have high hopes for this actually producing 90% win rate. That is just absurd to me. So this is something that's really typical too, and a really big problem with the industry. If you search up on YouTube looking for strategies and you don't know better, you're going to be bombarded with videos saying they have 85% win rate, 90% win rate, 98% win rate even. So there's a lot of ridiculous claims out there, and so be careful. Now, I'm going to get into the 100 tests with this strategy and see what the reality of the situation is. Okay, let's go. The results are in after 100 back-tested trades on the 5-minute time frame using a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio, which took 1.5 months of price data to find the 100 signals, and the results are terrible. 53 winners, 47 losses, 53% win rate. What happened to the 90% plus accuracy? Most won in a row, 7. Most lost in a row, 7. Gain on the account, 6%, more like nothing after fees and spreads. So obviously this did horribly, and this is what happens when you counter trend trade using normal bearish and bullish divergences. You would have done much better if you just went with the trend, took even just engulfing patterns in the direction of the trend, and you would have been much better off. This is horrible. It wasn't much better than just randomly picking a side and setting a 1-to-1 risk reward. So, this is honestly just scummy. How someone who's selling a paid group, paid services, I don't know exactly what they're offering, but they're claiming 90% accuracy for a strategy that they're using, which is going to draw in newbies into their group thinking this person has a 90% accuracy rate on their trades. This is just ridiculous. And what type of person can just put out a video like that and feel okay with themselves? It's insane. So I hope that they don't trick too many people into falling for their scam. And I'm not just trying to be mean and hate on other YouTubers. On my other videos where I've tested other YouTubers' strategies, I praised them and told you to go follow them and subscribe to them because their information was correct. They said they had a winning strategy. It was a winning strategy that was good. They didn't make any outrageous claims, so I salute them. But this person is just ridiculous. I can't believe people like this exist. It's just so sad. And I hope that no one gets tricked by this scheme. But sadly, in one of their videos, they were talking about how many people joined their paid group. So it's just too bad, too bad. So be careful out there if you're a newbie. Don't believe these clickbait titles and the lies within the videos that are trying to sell you something. Okay? But anyway, thanks for watching. I'm going to pop up the spreadsheet if you want to see it compared to the rest of the strategies, but I think we all know it falls at the bottom of the range in terms of performance for the spreadsheet. All right, so here it is on the spreadsheet. No surprise, falling in spot number 28 out of 34 in that really bad section of the spreadsheet. So, as I was saying, you really need to be careful. If you're a newbie in this industry, you really need to take your time getting into trading and learn about how many people are trying to scam you and lie to you just to make a quick buck. So don't fall for it. Do your actual proper testing, all right? But thanks for watching. Have a nice day.